full. Can I sit next to my husband/aunt/sister? How long is the flight? Why are we delayed? Can I take a photo in the cockpit?
I'll just give you a behind-the-scenes secret. There are plenty of really nice, really normal passengers. I am talking about the other half. No one on this flight wants to see or smell anyone else's feet.
I'm too hot. Can you turn on the AC? I'm so cold. Can you up the heating? Can I get a blanket? Is there Wi-Fi? What do you mean I can't sit on the emergency exit row with my broken arm?
You get the picture. People are vomiting at your feet or on your uniform if you don't have quick reflexes. They vomit in toilets, on their seats or in their purses.
There are baby changing tables in the lavatories.
They're often sick, they're coughing, they walk around barefoot, they change their babies on the tray table, they sneeze, they blow their noses, they fart, they clip their toenails, they puke and they bleed. Doesn't sound like fun, does it?
And for God's sakes, please stop leaving your stinky baby nappies in the seat pockets, okay? Jesus.
I'm going to be telling you where are the safest seats on an aircraft.
I'm going to be teaching you how to evacuate yourself.
Okay, let's continue.
Because if you die, you don't care, you're dead. But if you survive, it would be really nice to kind of prepare a little plan for yourself.
The cabin crew is there to make sure that you get from point A to point B alive and well, and in one piece preferably.
It's not to pour coffee, it's not to ask chicken or beef. We go through rigorous trainings from a classroom to actual plane mock-ups.
You learn how to extinguish fires, you have self-defense courses, you get very high quality first aid training.
Take out the safety instructions card. I'm like, oh, let me see what my brace position is.
And then you get drug tested and you pee in a cup and it's like, okay, let's ignore that, shall we? Why do flight attendants wear so much makeup? I don't understand what you develop amazing conflict management skills. Did you ever think of that?
Realizing that, probably I'm gonna be dead in about a minute.
Flight attendants get free travel, getting free tickets and traveling and blah, blah, blah. Why is there a height requirement for flight attendants? There we go. The cabin is not being cleaned after every flight. There, I said it. I already mentioned all the puking people and the nappies in the seat pockets, right? Glamorous life of flight attendants.